Are you a skilled automotive service or body technician looking for a new opportunity? For the best pay and a wider range of benefits, join Team Cole at the Bill Cole Automall. I'm Lee Cole, the General Manager.
And I'm Mike Sweeney, the Service Director. We have some great news for any mechanical or body shop technicians seeking employment. Team Cole is hiring, and we offer some amazing benefits. Wages over $30 per hour, medical, dental, and vision insurance, 401k, paid vacation and training, and even a relocation package.
It's a wonderful opportunity to join our team of passionate technicians. At Bill Cole Automall, we value our employees' growth and well-being. Our work environment is supportive, professional, and promotes career advancement.
Our technicians receive top-notch training to stay ahead in the industry. And with paid vacation, we prioritize work-life balance.
Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity in Bluefield, West Virginia. Apply today at BillColeAutomall.com, where Team Cole is valued and success is within reach.